In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 3D view in Google Maps. First, open your web browser and go to Google Maps. You can do this by typing Google Maps into your search engine, or by going directly to the Google Maps website. Once the page loads, give it a moment to fully render the map so everything displays clearly. You should see a standard map view of either your current location or a default area, depending on your settings. Now, take a look at the bottom right corner of the map. This area usually contains your zoom controls, and in many layouts, it also includes options for different map views. Here, you'll want to make sure you're using a view that supports 3D. Typically, this means switching from the default map view to the satellite view. Look for a small button or thumbnail labeled Satellite, and click on it. The map will update to show real-world imagery from above. Once you're in satellite view, you're ready to enable the 3D perspective. In supported areas, you'll see an option or control that lets you switch to 3D. This is often represented by a small 3D icon, or it may appear when you hover over the map controls. Click this 3D option. When it activates, you'll notice the map begin to tilt slightly, and buildings and terrain will appear with depth instead of looking completely flat. To really explore the 3D view, use your mouse or trackpad to adjust the angle and direction. Click and drag on the map to rotate the view around a point, and use the scroll wheel or pinch gesture to zoom in and out. If you hold down certain keys, like the Control or Command key while dragging, you can fine-tune the tilt of the camera to get a better perspective on buildings, streets, and landmarks. Keep in mind that 3D view is not available everywhere. It works best in major cities and well-mapped regions. If you don't see much change when you enable 3D, try zooming into a larger city or a well-known landmark, and then tilt and rotate again. Finally, if you want to go back to the regular top-down map, you can either turn off the 3D option or switch back from satellite to the default map view using the same controls on the screen. This lets you easily move between a clear, flat layout for navigation and a more immersive 3D experience when you want extra detail.